von Jason Ross. Well, you don't know me and you bet I felt it. I tried to get you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back before the cool down run out. I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Do 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 do. Open up your mind to see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. I look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is sure. This is our fate. I'm yours. And open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. I look into your heart and you find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.